Hello again, 7th graders. This is my son Paul. He wanted to be in our video with us today. The second item I would like you to do today is going to be to go outside and do a phenology observation form. Phenology is the study of basically how things change with the seasons. And so we're going to start doing an activity like this on each Friday, probably for the rest of the year. We'll see how it goes. But just to give you an opportunity, or to kind of nudge you a little bit to go outside and get some fresh air. So this assignment does not have to be done today. You can do it later this weekend. This weekend and today it is supposed to be pretty nice. It's going to be much warmer starting tomorrow. And so on this form, I would like you to go outside, find a spot just to look at and sit down for a couple of minutes. Write down what plants you see. Do the best you can with identifying them. If you only know that it's a tree, maybe you know it's some kind of maple tree, or if you know that it's grass, do the best you can. We don't need a scientific identification here. What is their condition? So, do they look healthy? Do they look dead? Have they been tramped on by people walking by? What's their condition? Do they look healthy? Choose 2 plants to make a drawing of. Then I would also like you to look around for some animals that you might observe. So observe, remember, is any of the 5 senses. So it doesn't have to be see, it could be hearing, maybe you can smell some animals were around, some type of observation. Or, maybe you're outside with your dog, you could feel their fur, that would also be an observation. What are the animals doing? Give a description there. Next, make a drawing of them. Do the best you can. You will not be graded. This is not an art project on your artistic ability. However, I do expect more than just a little stick animal. Okay. For question 6, what is the weather like? Do your best to describe the weather. Make your predictions of how you think the weather is affecting the plants and the animals. Is this area changing? So the first time we do this observation, this might be a more difficult question, but we are going to be going to the same spot in the future, and so you'll hopefully have an idea of how things have changed. Number 9, why do you think this area is changing? And then look for signs of changes in the seasons and write those down. Please do your best to fill this out. I would really like it if you would do this in complete sentences, so capital letters and a period at the end. But obviously you don't have a ton of room, so 1, possibly 2 sentences is all you're going to be able to fit for each question. Let me know if you have questions, but please take this chance to get outside. Maybe get out of your pajamas first. This guy still has his pajamas on. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will be having a help session this afternoon, so please come if you have questions.